So selling your restoration business is kind of like dating. You don't want to marry the first person knocking on your door. At our firm, what we do for our clients is we see hundreds of businesses. We expose your business to hundreds of buyers, and as a result, we achieve about 30% more on evaluation than you would just picking up a phone and talking to a buyer directly. Okay. The second thing is we close almost 100% of our transactions, as opposed to an industry average of about 23%, with over 500 million in closed transactions over the last 10 years or so. The question is this the type of results you're looking for? The question is, if you're trying to get married and allow someone to come into your family, you want to make sure who's out there and who's the best suitors in town. And that's what we can do for your company. Give us a call. We'd love to hop on a phone and start a conversation.